Okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a site where you can make up to about $15 per hour part-time and probably even more full-time. So you're going to want to stick around and see this video because you're going to be surprised about this, alright? And I'm going to get you started on that here right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. And as I said earlier, I'm going to show you a pretty good site here today where you can make some pretty good money part-time and even make this into a full-time thing where you could make even more money just sitting from home at your computer on the internet. Okay? Alright, here in a moment we're going to get started in on this, but first of all I want to tell you that if this is your first time to my videos, or you've been to my videos before or my channel and you still have not yet subscribed to the channel, well, I can't tell you why you haven't. I don't know why you haven't. Just reach down there right now while you're thinking about it and click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified of when we upload new videos, which we do fairly regularly here. Alrighty guys, also for those newcomers to my videos, what we do here is affiliate marketing videos, how-to videos, anything to do with making money online videos to bring time freedom back to your life. And also once in a while we throw in a motivational video for you guys as well. Okay. Alright, well, with all that to do out of the way and stuff, let's get started right in here on this video here. Again, as usual, we're going to come over here to our favorite Opera browser here. And we're going to click on the browser, and this site that we're looking at here today is Micro Workers. You see that here, work and earn or offer a micro job yourself, or you could do both here. Now there's a double way to make money here if you guys pay attention here. Now you see up here in the address bar, it's microworkers.com. See that? Alright, so you're going to come over to this site. Now it says here, get started right away with easy to customize templates. Now as you see here, what they're talking about here is this is for if you want to hire people to do small tasks for you, and then you could pay them, you know, 10, 20, 30, 40 cents up to however much you want to pay them to complete a task for you. And that's what this is, what you're seeing right here. Different templates that can be used on this site for people that are looking to hire folks to do little micro tasks for them. But that's not quite what we're here for. Now you can do this, and you can do the other. We're here to show you how to make money, right? That's what this is all about. So anyways, you're going to come here to this site, and then I'm going to tell you right now, which you'll see here in a second, this can be done anywhere in the world. It's free to join. Okay, doesn't matter where you're at. It can be literally anywhere in the world. So what you're going to do is come here and click on register right here. And it's going to bring you over here to this little application thing here, and you just fill out your name, your last name. You can do middle name if you want, that's optional. And then your birth date, and then a good email address here. And then pick a good password. This is your account information here, right? I've already signed up. That's what you see this here. And then put your address in there, your zip code, city, state, and or region, and your country of residence. As you can see right here, literally guys, it's available in every single country in the world. So there's no excuse that you guys can't come over here and get involved in this. Now, before you start to thinking that this is not very much, stick around, because you're going to be surprised that the amount of money that people are making on this website. Alright, so fill out your application, check down here if you want any kind of this information down here, worker subscription and featured tasks, so on and so forth. But definitely make sure you check this one here for the terms and conditions and the privacy policy that they have on this site. Okay, and then just simply click your submit button. And when you do that, they will send you an email verification that you will need to verify your email on this website here. All right, so once you do that, once you verify your email, it'll just log you directly into your account, and you can begin to start making money with this pretty quick. All right, so now I've already, of course, created my account, so I'm going to go ahead and log in so you can see what it looks like here, sort of in your worker office back here. And so as you can see, this information right here on this lower bar right here, this is for right here for people that want to create a job and hire people. So if you want to do that, you can do that here. Up here is if you want to just be a worker and do things and tasks you finish, campaigns, and withdrawing in your account. Now, as you can see down here already, there's some people right here. Now, this is showing all jobs, and if I click on most paying jobs here, right, and it'll switch up. You can see, for example, let me see if I can scroll in here. So you guys can see right here, just to download a phone app. Okay, and then download and install it and send a text message to prove that you did. They're going to pay you $9 to do that. Okay, as you can see, some of these other little tasks. Guys, these tasks only take a few minutes, maybe 2 to 3 minutes to do this, if that. Some of these even quicker than that, I would think. As you can see down through here, they want to just download and install apps, get a quote and all that, and you can see that they're going to pay you a couple $3 or $9 and a couple dollars, $1.25, some of these down through here, and all these are just different little tasks that can be done quickly and in your part-time. It doesn't, as you can see here, it's not going to take time before you're going to be getting quite a lot of money built up. And there's different things. You can do qualification testing, mobile application surveys, sign-ups, get paid to click and search, bookmarks, Google, YouTube, watch videos. If we click on YouTube here, this, like for example, this top one here, they want you to do a YouTube search, watch, like, comment, subscribe, and they'll pay you 40 cents for that. That can be done in just probably a minute, I would imagine. Not very long. And a lot of these are like that down through. You can rack up your money pretty quick. It doesn't look like much right here, but you can rack that up pretty quick. All right. So, anyways, and then different things right here. Now, the most paying here. Well, all the jobs. We showed all the jobs here again. You can start out at like 9. I think this is like the highest paying one at the time, and it goes down from there, and I think their lowest paying is like 10 cents, I think, or something like that. But guys, all these tasks can be knocked out pretty quickly in short periods of time. It doesn't take long to do this. I mean, LinkedIn, they want you to follow, like, and comment and share, and then screenshot what you did on it, and they give you 26 cents for that. You can knock these out in quick amount of time. Now, let's check out and see how much money that people are actually making on this website here. And we click on this, and then if we click on most tasks done, take a look at this, guys. You see this right here? 19,000. Somebody from the United States here has made $19,000 with this. 14,000, 12,000. So before you jump the gun and think that this is not much and you're not going to get much for this work, as you can see, these people, some of these people are probably doing this at a pretty much a full-time rate, and you can see that they're making some pretty big money with this micro worker site right here, guys. Look at this. Look at these. London, 7,000. Serbia, somebody's made 3,342. 8,991. All these as it comes down through here, and so on and so forth. There's people making thousands of dollars on this website, and there's no reason why you guys can't come and do this as well yourselves. You can certainly do that. 14,000, 19,000, like I said, 14, 12,000, 4,000, 5,000, and it just goes on and on. 7,000, 6,000, 9,000. It just, guys, the ability to make a lot of money on this site is obviously here. You can do this. Now, they will, when you go to withdraw, you can click on withdraw, and so yeah, Money Bookers or Skrill here, and PayPal. So if you have a PayPal account, you can use that. And then you can also have them, yeah, it looks like pretty much just Money Bookers and Payoneer. They'll do it with Payoneer here. Local funds transfer via TransPay, Money Bookers or Skrill, Payoneer, and PayPal. Alrighty, guys. So you can definitely get paid pretty easy and automatically with this website as well. So yeah, come here, sign up, guys. Begin to do these little tasks in your in part-time. You can do this part-time, make about $15 an hour, or if you're going to do it full-time, it literally it's just unlimited. It amounts to how much you're willing to put in. I mean, there's no contracts or nothing here. You're a freelance worker, and you just work as much or whenever you want to on this site, and you can just continue to rack up money and rack up money and rack up money. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, that's what I had for you today. Make sure you reach down there, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell, and give me a thumbs up if you would too. Also, click that link down there in the description where you see it says mentorwithkev.com, and come over and check out where you can get your own online business up and running within 15 days or less, and be making high ticket commissions anywhere from $300 to $4,000 per day, which pretty well outdoes this site right here. Alrighty, guys, click that link down there, mentorwithkev.com. Come over, get signed up on my mailing list, and check out the business and see if it's something that it's a good fit for you. Alrighty, guys, well, I'm gonna let you go with that, and I'll check you guys out on the next exciting video. You guys take care, and I'll see you later. Bye bye now.